Hello students, welcome to Surafset's classes. Today I am going to draw graph of function. Now I am going to draw the graph of mod x plus mod y equal to 1. So to make the graph of mod x plus mod equal to 1, we have to take the axis first and then decide what is going to happen. When x greater than 0 and y greater than 0 in the first quadrant, we have mod x equal to x and mod y equal to y. So the curve will be x plus y equal to 1. So x plus y equal to 1, y equal to minus x plus 1. So it is the line. It is 0, 1 and it is 1, 0. This is a straight line. X by 1, y by 1 equal to 1. So this line is representing this straight line. Now for second quadrant, y greater than 0 but x less than 0. So now mod x equal to minus x and mod y equal to y. We are seeing this, that mod x equal to minus x, mod y equal to y, when y greater than 0 and x less than 0, the second quadrant. So our curve is y minus x equal to 1. So the curve is touches x-axis at minus 1, 0 and y-axis as 0, 1 in this. So this is the straight line. Let it is minus 1, 0. This point is minus 1, 0. Take the line. We'll draw this in another color, the graph. We'll take this color to draw the graph. This portion and this portion we have done now. Now the rest it is now only left this portion x less than 0 and y also less than 0. So mod x equal to minus x and mod y equal to minus y. So the graph changes to minus x minus y equal to 1. You can see that now graph changed to minus x minus y equal to 1. So it is x by minus 1 plus y by minus 1 equal to 1. So the curve intersects x-axis at this point, which is minus 1, 0 and intersects y-axis at 0, minus 1. So let us take again this color and join these 2 points. So it is the line minus x minus y equal to 1. Now in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, x is greater than 0 but y is less than 0. So mod x equal to x but mod y equal to minus y. Mod y equal to minus y and mod x equal to x. So now our function is x minus y equal to 1. So it will cut x-axis at 0 1 and y-axis at 0 minus 1. So it is the line. Now let us draw the graph completely separate and fresh away. So the graph will be, let this at the axis y and x. Now we will draw the graph. The graph is, it is 0, 1. It is 1, 0. In this way the graph is in this way. This is 0, minus 1 as first and this is minus 1, 0. This is the final graph of mod x plus mod y equal to 1. Now we are done. Thank you.